Breaking news. One name, T-Pain fully activated. Yes, that is what we're facing now in the country. A lot of things is happening. Things are increasing on a daily basis. They keep increasing fuel pump price. And this is people that promise us that they will take us out of poverty. They will stop insecurity. They will lead us to promised land. Is this how they're going to do it? Is it the promised land that they're leading us to? T-Pain fully activated. That is for you to know that there's no hope. We're just hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. A lot is happening. Check since this government came into power, things are getting harder. How can we survive? So my advice is this. Keep checking yourself, checking your sugar, checking your BP on daily basis. This one is not that you check today and later. On daily basis, for you to know when things are getting out of hand. Then you take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Nobody can take care of yourself for you. As it stands now, nobody cares for each other. Nobody cares for each other. That is the mode we are. Keeping mode. Keeping mood activated. Nobody cares about his fellow human being. Nobody cares for each other now because of the way things are getting tougher. Things are getting out of hand. This is the period that you can see somebody in the bus stop and motor will blow a horn. That person will fall down and die. People will say that motor has killed the person, but there's no motor. A heart attack will be mapped. Things is getting worse. T-Pain fully activated. That is what I call it now. T-Pain fully activated. Problem everywhere. What is happening? Are you sure that we can make it to 2027? The way things is going. Are we going to make it? Will we be alive that 2027 to say whether we are going to vote in this power or vote them out? With the way things is going now. Problem here and there. What is our offense? What is our offense? What offense do we commit? We're facing this kind of a thing. It is happening. Enough is enough now. It is an offense. Everywhere is tight. Everywhere is tight. The only people that are enjoying now in this nation is politicians and some religious leaders. Apart from that, everybody is shaking. See it during time of campaign, our president is shaking, and we are laughing at him. But recently now, Nigerians is shaking. Nigerians are shaking, brother. Yes, during time of campaign, the man was shaking. Everybody is laughing at him. And look at our president, he can't speak, he can't stand. But today, Nigerians are shaking. And they're standing strong. Which way, Nigeria? Which way? T-Pain activated, fully activated. Pain mode. Nothing is happening. This is the country where initially, we have crude oil, no refinery to refine them. We go outside to refine our crude and buy the fuel. I don't know how the they're doing it, but I know that we find it outside and bring the fuel. Recently, we have refinery that is working. There's no crude oil again to sell to them. Then now they are importing the crude oil again from outside. I don't know what is happening. I don't know whether you understand me. We have crude oils, but no refinery to refine them. Now, when we have refinery, there's no crude oil again to refine in that refinery. Is it not a shameful thing? Are we not ashamed of ourselves? I will fix this nation. I will put Nigeria in order. I will do this, I will do that. What is happening now? Is it when all of us buy, we will begin to do that, fix Nigeria? When we don't buy finish, they will start to fix Nigeria. Is it when we are all gone? T-Pain fully activated. It's a good day. It's terrible. Which way, Nigeria? suffering and smiling every day. This one said nobody is smiling because the suffering is too much. It's getting out of hand. Nobody is smiling. People are getting devastated, getting worried. What is happening? So back to what I'm saying. Try to put something. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. If you are above 30 now, I wouldn't say 40. If you're above 30 now, make sure you check your blood pressure. Make sure you check your sugar level. To be sure of yourself. Nobody is going to do that for you. The way things the country is now, nobody cares for each other. When you for which one year, enough is enough. Can't continue like this. May God save this country. Bye bye.